Hello y'all! Welcome back to our channel. Good morning. So for today, magta-travel kami ni Isay and Pam and her friends to Boracay. So, dito pa kami sa condo. And si Isay nag-ready. Yun siya. So, medyo maulan as you can see. Pero wala naman delay sa airport. So I guess we're in good shape. Time check is 7:03 a.m. Ang flight namin is 10 o'clock ba yun? 10:05. So, we'll see you guys at the airport. Pero try namin mag-vlog on the way there para makita nyo yung ano ba yun? View? Hindi view. Makita nyo yung way from Makati, where we live, to Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 2. So until then, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Yes. Laters. Hello. Ayan, we're on our way out now. So, bababa na kami kuha ng Grab ng airport. And ano pa ba? Medyo masama yung weather pero it'll pull through. Wala naman delays. And si Isay. Eto na siya. Masama kami ulit as usual. Ito pala yung view dito sa condo namin. Yan. Diba? Ganda. Alam mo yung pag nakadungo ako sa bintana, matutulala ka lang like throughout the day. Nakaganon ka lang sa bintana, tulala ka lang. Nakaka-relax lang tingnan yung mga view. But, we're on our way down. Continue yung recording pag nasa Grab na kami. Alright. Laters. Okay, on our way out now. Ito yung mailbox. And this is ito yung garahe. Ito tayo lang sa may door na yun para straight to the lobby. Okay. Go, let's go. Hello, good morning. Hello, kuya. Alis muna kami. Mga few days.
Wala tao.
Wala.
Mga ilang days. Palagay yung tubig niya.
5 to 9, no? 5 to 9. Balik kami ng 9. Balik kami ng 9. Yeah. Yan si Kuya, yung pinaka mabait na staff dito sa Avida, si Kuya Edward. Hello, we are now boarding. There's Pam right there. Si Isay nandito. Boarding to Boracay na. Katiklan Airport. We go. And we are seated at the front. So, hopefully we get a good view. Here we are at Katiklan Airport. Here we go. Gonna hop on the bus. Alright. So, magpabus tayo papunta dun sa main terminal, I think. Here we go. Alright. And we're back again. We are back again, y'all. Welcome back to Boracay. Hello. Dito na naman tayo ulit. Papunta tayo sa port. Cherry Port. Ganda ng weather. Kanina daw mag-uulan and then kumanda na yung weather. Maganda actually, hindi siya sunny, hindi rin ano, a little bit cloudy. So I like it. Tingnan nyo. It's nice to be back in Boracay, y'all. Nice to be back in Boracay. Traffic. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Look at the water. Oh man. Sanjay. Love. Sanjay 2. The boat. Sanjay, yeah. Sanjay 2. Sanjay lang yan eh. So if you find ayun, Sanjay 2 right there. Alright, this is our boat right here. Alright, yo.
Sir, baka gusto yung patulong lang sir, medyo mahirap. Voluntary tip lang naman yun sir.
Sige, aga. Yeah.
Akin na yung plan ninyo.
Alright, here we go. Ano tayo? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Ano to?
Saan ang 10? Where's 10? Oh, okay. Alright. 10 to 14. So, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13, 14. Nice, eh? Hello. Hello. It is hot. Back at it again. Back at it again. Sa Boracay as usual. Pag napuno na tong boat, alis na tayo straight papunta sa Boracay.
Sakay tabi kan Cebu. Wala nang hindi mo. Uy, gaya, Marty 8. Hindi ka tabi tabi. Bikan Cebu.
Ooh, that feels better now.
Oh, tanang 20 minutos lang. Makakain na tayo.
So, what do you like so far?
Nothing.
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet. I mean, mamaya makikita natin yun.
Sa alam mo, sayang yung bayad dun sa land. Kasi yun yung may mga hop-off. Pero
Parang-
one thing.
kasi nung nag-book
parang
kami,
jeep siya.
that's not even an option. It'll let you go through without picking. So I guess they updated. Even the verification, wala yung verification. So, nasabi ko ba kung saan tayo pupunta?
In the Golden Phoenix.
Golden Phoenix. Ayan. We're back at it again for the second time. Hello! We are here again. Nandito kami sa Golden Phoenix nag-check-in. Tinry namin yung resort, see what it is. Mukhang okay naman. Ito yung view. Ha? Ngayon na? I mean, gutom na ba kayo? Gutom na ako. I mean, chill, I guess. Hindi, hangout muna tayo dito. Hangout muna tayo dito. Presko yung hangin eh. Hangout muna tayo dito. Presko yung hangin eh. Ito yung bar nila. Open. Ganda kasi na beachfront tayo eh. Diba? There you go. Golden Phoenix, yo. Hello y'all, so we are here at Golden Phoenix and let's see what the beach look like. Here we go. Look at this y'all. Look at this y'all. Ganda no? Medyo malakas lang yung waves but nice. Lalo cloudy. Pero the sun is not staring down on you. Maybe a little bit, but not so bad. I can take this all day long. And then, nandito yung isang Sunnyside Cafe. Nung last punta na kami ng Boracay, we went to the other side na nasa Station 1. So ito yung isang Sunnyside Cafe. Yan. Let's take a walk. Makuha natin yung steps natin. Ganitong kaganda ang Boracay that makes you want to go back. It makes you really, really want to go back. Sorry, so this is my second time. So, enjoy. I mean, ito yung parang yung alleyway. Papunta rin yan dun sa main road, I think. And then yung Golden Phoenix nasa left side. Yung main check-in area. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, man. Ganda. Ayun, tingnan natin yung I love Boracay sign. Sand, made out of sand. Magkasama ulit kami ni Isay sa Boracay. It's my second time, which is can't get enough of it, really. Kasi ang ganda talaga eh. And yung I love Boracay. To ginagawa nila to daily. I think sila kasi may date ako sa may date.
One more.
Here you go. Pagbalik kaya namin, try namin mag-check-in sa iba naman banda dun sa malayong Station 3 naman. Or maybe, next destination pag uwi ko ulit next year, sa naman, sa Bohol or El Nido. Check namin yung ibang beaches naman para may compare yung 3 different places. Yan, ganda no? Alright y'all, lalakad-lakad lang tayo to get our steps kasi 3 o'clock pa yung check-in. Time check, it's only 1:25, so we still have about an hour and a half to check in. So yan, beautiful Boracay y'all, the beautiful Boracay. Buti na lang may shade pagka naglakad ka dito sa area na yan, may shade. So let's go over here. Mainit din, but It's all good.
Yeah, wala lang, sabay yun lang.
Ay, hindi ko naman pa mabili ako na. Hindi ko dati
Oo, nandito yung isang hotel na chine-check out ko before I book the Golden Phoenix Boracay, itong Ondos. Maybe we'll check this out next time. We will see. Pero ngayon, nag-usap kami ni Isay. We're talking about going to El Nido or Bohol. So, we will see for next year. Until then, enjoy natin tong Boracay for now. Sana meron, kaya lang si Mark wala dito ngayon yo. Si Mark Paragas. Parang next week pa siya dadating. Ano lang tayo dito 5 days lang tayo. Hopefully. Pero visit natin yung yung resto niya na Binetas. And then bigay tayo ng feedback as usual. But ganda Coco Mama. Alright, so balik na tayo dun sa sa Golden Phoenix. So, lakad pa ng kaunti pa ba towards that way. Sige. Kasi malapit na tayo mag-low bat. Hindi ko kasi na-charge ito kagabi. Pero meron naman tayong spare. So, mamaya i-charge natin tapos pagka-check-in natin sa room. Anywho, balik na tayo. Ayan yung mga girls. Daughter ni Isay si Pam. Ito. And then yung dalawa friend niya.